Right now, we'll be looking at revisions of economics paper one, advanced level 2023. So I'm going to show you all the questions and answers as you can see here. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure that you subscribe because on this channel we talk about education, we talk about revisions, we talk about economics, history, geography. We also teach students how they can make money online. So right now, once you get to your paper, the first thing you have to do is you put your center number, put your center name, candidate identification number, and candidate name. So make sure you fill all of this. So let's go right into it. Okay, in economics, the phrase all other things being equal means what's the correct answer? The correct answer for this is D, other variables remain the same. Question 2. Which of the following concepts will remain unresolved as a firm tries to solve the basic economic problems? The correct answer is D, scarcity. Market failure occurs when B, the price system cannot allocate resources optimally. So the correct answer is B. 4. In which economic system is there no freedom of choice and therefore loss of consumer sovereignty? The correct answer is A, command economy system. The percentage share of total employment sales or output of an industry accounted for by the three or five largest firms in the industry is called, correct answer for 5 is D, concentration ratio. Concentration ratio. Consider the figure 1 below for question 6. So they say we should look at the diagram within which unemployment range and returns to labor increasing. The correct answer for 6 is A, O minus R. Which of the following is an external source of finance for a businessman? The correct answer is A, leasing. Question 8. A situation where a firm takes over another selling off the company's resources, therefore terminating it is called, correct answer for 8 is C, holding company. Marginal cost and average cost pricing policies are mostly practiced by, the correct answer for 9 is B, which is public corporations. Question 10 is based on the population statistics of countrywide in a given year. Total population 20 million francs, 20 million people, labor force 8 million people, activity rate 75%. How many people are gainfully employed in this country? The correct answer is A, 6 million people. 6 million people. Go to the next page. The term expanding population describes a population with 11, the correct answer is C, an increasing proportion of children, adults, and the aged. 12. What is the quantity of flour bought? Correct answer for 12 is B, which is 5 kilogram. Question 13. Suppose a tax of 20 francs has been imposed on a packet of Maggi with elasticity of supply of 3.5 francs. If customers pay 14 francs out of the tax, determine the elasticity of demand for Maggi. The correct answer for 13 is B, which is 1.5. 1.5. Question 14 is based on figure 2 below. So here is a diagram for figure 2. From the above figure, what is the community surplus? The correct answer for 14 is C, 100 francs. 15. A demand curve regressive at the top specifically describes. The correct answer is C, Veblen goods. Question 16 relates to figure 3 below, showing the various indifference curves and the budget lines. Line A is called the B Engels curve. The correct answer is B Engels curve. 17. A firm's cost structure is as follows. Total cost 17,000 francs. Average variable cost 110 francs. Total fixed cost 11,500 francs. The firm's output will be, the correct answer is D, which is 50 units. Question 18 relates to figure 4 below. So they give us this diagram. The AFC curves is falling because the correct answer is A. Total fixed costs are constant. So total fixed cost is constant. 19. An example of variable cost of population is, the correct answer is C, cost of machine. When a firm charges each customer the maximum price he or she is prepared to pay for the same good, this is known as D, perfect price discrimination. The correct answer is D, perfect price discrimination. A market structure with only two buyers of the product supplied in the market is called, the correct answer for 21 is B, duopoly. 12. 22. Quasi-rents can be defined as A. Extra endings received by a factor because of his special ability. So the correct answer is A. Question 23 is based, question 23 relates to figure 5 below, which shows the average revenue product and marginal revenue product curves for labor employed by an individual firm. The correct answer for 23 says the demand curve for labor is represented by the segment of the correct answer is B, MRP curve, that is downward sloping. Profits made in the short run but not enough to keep the firm in the industry in the long run is called, correct answer is A, negative profit. Interest rate, according to the classicals, is determined by the correct answer is A, interaction between the demand for and the supply of loanable funds. 26. They give us a dash is an adjustment made on income and outcome statistics to bring them to equality with the expenditure statistics of measuring national income. The correct answer for 26 is B, which is residual error. 27. The GNP deflator is useful in calculating A, real GNP. Go to the next page. Question 28 relates to the following data showing the national income account of an imaginary economy. Figures are in million francs CFA. Depreciation 150 million. Taxes on expenditure 1,500 million. Subsidies 75 million. Net national product 7,500 million. Determine the value of gross national product at market prices. Correct answer for 28 is A, 6,225 million francs. So A is the correct answer. 29. Which of the following equations expresses the relationship between the propensities to consume and save? Correct answer for 29 is B. APS minus APC equals to 1. Changes in investment on a magnified scale originating from variations in the rate of consumption. What term is explained by the quotation above? Correct answer for 30 is C, the multiplier. 31. Suppose AS equals to exchange in saving, AY equals to change in income. Which of the following formula represents the multiplier in a two-sector closed economy? The correct answer is D, which is 1 over AY minus AS. Question 32 is based on figure 6 below, showing various equilibrium positions using the savings and investment curves. Which economic concept does the above figure seek to explain? The correct answer for 32 is B, paradox of thrift. If S plus T plus M equals to I plus G plus X, the total output of the country will, correct answer for 33 is A, fall. The scrap value of an asset is the value of, correct answer for 34 is A, the physical asset. Question 35 is based on figure 7 below, relating to the quantity theory of money. Which of the curves shows the relationship between the quantity supplied of money and the general price level? The correct answer is C, curve P2. Curve price 2, okay? Which of the following represents the assets of a commercial bank classified in decreasing order of liquidity? The correct answer for 36 is A, cash, money at call, treasury bills, advances. So the correct answer for 36 is A. The money supply in an economy is given as 6,000 million francs at an equilibrium interest rate of 3%. What is the demand for money in this economy given that the rate of interest does not change? The correct answer for 37 is C, 6,000 million francs. An increase in inflation rates by 10%, causing the government to increase wages by 10%, is referred to as, correct answer is C, indexation. The concept of crowding in suggests that an increase in government borrowing and spending will cause an increase in, correct answer for 39 is C, private sector investment. 40. A deliberate action by government to change our spending or tax rates so as to achieve some desired macro economy objective is known as, the correct answer is D, budget or fiscal policy. A tax should be capable of being altered to meet changing economic conditions and changing government objectives. Which principle of taxation is implied in the above equation? The correct answer for 41 is D, flexibility. A taxpayer with an income of 200,000 francs per month is granted a tax-free allowance of 20,000 francs, giving a tax rate of 15%. What is the act of this taxpayer? The correct answer for 42 is B, which is 15%. Question 43 is based on figure 8 below, showing the effect of the devaluation of currency on the balance of payment. Which of the above curves, 1, 2, 3, and 4, shows the effect of a successful devaluation on the bulk of the country? The correct answer for 43 is D. So D is the correct answer. Curve 4. In which of the following regimes is the exchange rate of a currency allowed to float within a given limit? The correct answer for 44 is C, floating exchange rate regime. Question 45 relates to the table below, which shows the movement in a country's term of trade. The movement in terms of trade illustrated above can possibly occur when? Correct answer is C. Import prices are rising while export prices are falling. Question 46 is based on the data below, which shows the balance of payment account of an imaginary country. Figures are in millions of francs CFA. So, value of goods exported. So, what is the balance of payment on current account? The answer for 46 is D, which is 240 million francs. So, you can look at all of this. The answer is 240 million francs. Suppose the real GDP of a country increases from 110 in year 1 to 115 in year 2. Determine the growth rate of the real GDP of this country. The correct answer for 47 is A, 4.5%. Which of the following agencies gives loans to private sector businesses in developing member countries? The correct answer for 48 is A, IMF, International Monetary Fund. An example of automatic stabilizers is an example of automatic stabilizers is, correct answer is C, unemployment benefits. The last but not the least, which of the following is one of a government's macroeconomic objective? Correct answer is B, price stability. So that is it about our revisions of economics advanced level paper 1 2023. So if you are new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe. You can watch other videos revisions we have on this channel. Thank you for watching.